start.
Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. And hope everyone has a good health in summer. Please take care of yourself and your cars. Today we're talking about TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. This is made mandatory by our government for the benefit of passengers and drivers who are driving cars and who are buying cars. The reason is we have a tendency that we don't go and get the tire pressure checked very regularly. Whenever we go to a petrol bunk, we don't get it checked. The reason is there is a queue there, or whatever reason we don't get it checked. But if you don't check your tire pressure, number one, the tire pressure is low, the mileage will affect. If the tire pressure is high, there is always chances of tire bursting. So government introduced this system for all, from the manufacturers to the customers, mandatory. So every car which is getting manufactured now or delivered now will have tubeless tires and TPMS installed in the car, every car. How it works? When the tubeless tire is there, at the rim there is a chip which is fitted, which is connected through the Bluetooth to the control panel and instrument panel, which displays in our display panel or the screen. So it shows front 2 tires, back 2 tires. What is the pressure in each tire? That is displayed. The feature also, in the most advanced feature, also has, when you are driving highway, what is the tire temperature also is shown in the system, in the console. So this helps you that when the tire pressure is low, you get a pop-up signal that you need to check the tire pressure. So you can take it to the tire pressure center and get it punctured or increase the tire pressure and see that you are safe. So this TPMS is introduced by the government for the safety of the people. And the reason why, and now again they are giving also puncture kits with every car to see that you can puncture your car yourself. You can rectify the puncture yourself. But they are not teaching or educating how to do your car, if the car is punctured, how to rectify the puncture. They are not teaching that. That can be also done. And especially our puncture shops in our country gets closed anytime between 6 and 7 p.m. only. After that, if the puncture happens, you are at risk. So government is made, in abroad, government supplies puncture kits but doesn't give stepneys. But in India, it is made that stepneys also must and puncture kits are also given. And TPMS is introduced for every car. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.